The GrowerSelect line of feed motors allows you to affordably replace your original equipment manufacturer's motors with quality components to fit all common feed system sizes. Backed with a 2-year warranty, GrowerSelect motors offer you years of reliable service and performance. We'll show you how easy it is to replace your failing motors with our GrowerSelect models. The tools you'll need include a wire stripper, open-end wrench, Allen wrench, liquid tight and wire connectors, and a nut driver. Always be certain to wear the appropriate personal protective equipment whenever working on a project, and also make certain that all electrical power is turned off to the feed system and the motor. You'll need to prep your new motor before installing. Remove the cover to the electrical conduit box and punch out the conduit entry tab at the bottom of the box. You can install a new liquid tight connector if you like. However, if your existing conduit wire sheath and connector are in good shape, you can continue using those. The wiring for all GrowerSelect feed motors are the same, but always reference the wiring diagram that comes with your motor for safety. For this particular motor, in this particular application, we're going to conjoin the white, orange, and red wires together with a wire nut. Then we'll cap the brown wires separately. The yellow and black wires, along with the blue wires, will be connected to the existing wiring in the feed system. Once the wires are capped, affix the pinion to the shaft. Align the set screw with the flat portion of the shaft and slide it on so that the end of the pinion is flush with the end of the shaft. Secure it tightly with an Allen wrench. Remove the cover of the conduit box on the existing motor and cut the hot, neutral, and ground wires. Remove the metal nut holding the conduit to the box to free the wires from the motor. Now you can remove the existing motor from the system and discard it. Install the new motor to the gearbox and secure it tight with a wrench. Once secure, reconnect the old conduit line to the new conduit box. Now in this scenario we use the existing conduit sheath and connector since it was in good condition. You can always install a new liquid tight connector at your option. As stated before, refer to your wiring diagram as necessary when wiring motors. In this scenario, we splice the incoming hot with the yellow and black wires on the new motor and the neutral with the blue wire. Once spliced, connect the green ground wire. If it's too short, you can splice a jumper to securely ground it. After your wires are connected, go ahead and replace the conduit cover. Once the motor is installed and wired, you'll want to top off the gearbox with oil. Loosen and remove the lower plug on the gearbox, followed by the upper plug. Start filling the upper plug with the appropriate gear oil until it starts flowing out of the bottom plug. Then quickly replace that bottom plug and wipe away any excess oil. Now replace the top plug and make certain both are tightened down. Your installation is complete. Your GrowerSelect motor is ready to efficiently deliver feed to your animals. You can purchase GrowerSelect feed models at any Hogslat retail store or go to our website at www.hogslat.com.